CBS News is reporting that Judge Tanya Chutkan has ordered a release of the records and testimony and files in the Trump election interference case to be released. So the special counsel, Jack Smith, he had indicated before that there were sensitive materials in here. Link in the description, by the way, to this story from CBS. There were sensitive materials that should be, he called it, shielded from the public. And Trump's lawyers have been arguing that it would be election interference to release, to wait until early voting to release this, because this had been under question since August. And they waited until now, and they're going to release what appears to be testimony before the grand jury. I don't know what's in here. Trump's lawyers didn't want it released. Jack Smith apparently said it probably shouldn't be released. I don't know if people are expecting this to be some sort of an October surprise. Maybe it's politically motivated. It doesn't seem to me that it's going to be an enormous deal, but I do know, like in reality, but what I do know is that if it's opened up Friday, today, then depending on what's in there, it's going to be spun as spun against Donald Trump, as the nail in the coffin, the definitive proof that he meddled in the democracy. That's what it's going to be spun as, whether that's what it is or not. I don't know what's in there, so I can't make a call. I will say that these charges were dropped. The Supreme Court threw this out. So Jack Smith went back, took a pair of scissors, and cut up his previous charges and tried to throw more at him that would stick. He took out all the part with communication with justice officials and things that the Supreme Court was objecting to. I don't believe that this is going to stick either. I think that it's going to be thrown out again. But what it does is provides a lot more ammo for the media to throw at Donald Trump, and it feels like a desperate move. I don't know why she waited until now either. Like this, it almost does feel like election interference. Now, Trump's lawyer's argument is that it's election interference to do this during early voting. They had since August to release this stuff. Why did they not release it before? I don't know. But apparently it's going to be released today. Keep your eyes peeled for the details that come out. And if you're getting that information from mainstream news, be careful on what you believe, because what we've seen is everything is spun a certain way. So I'm not saying that no matter what, Trump did no wrong. That's not what I'm saying. What I am saying is if you see an outlet like MSNBC or CBS saying, definitive proof that Trump, did such and such, go to the source and read it, because there's a hefty chance that they made that up. They are liars, they're manipulators, and they do everything that they possibly can to stay in power. Now, to keep their narrative spinning. Now, with that said, I think to some degree they want Trump to win, or they're okay with Trump winning, I should say, because they're going to be able to have years worth of content if he's in office. But that's beside the point. So the big news really is they're opening this up. They're releasing these details. I may make a follow-up today. It might be just a big nothing burger. There might be nothing in there, but I'm guessing it's going to be hundreds and hundreds of pages, so people won't really know what's going on with it until probably Monday. And that might be why they were doing it on a Friday. It gives them the weekend to kind of read through it before they throw it in the news cycle on Monday. But that's about all.